What do you know about the Bermuda Triangle? Have you ever been there for work purposes or training purposes?
I was there once for training purposes.
How long of a period of time?
12 hours.
Physically?
Yes. Someone was teaching me certain energies and how to manipulate them and how to retrieve them.
Can you explain the weird things that are going on there? A lot of missing planes and ships and what they call like electronic fog and all these things. What's going on there if you know and if you can share?
It's not electronic fog, it's frequency fog. This frequency can pull you in, or this frequency can eject you out. But normal human beings cannot survive this ejection power. It's too powerful. This kind of power will, blow you away.
What about the plane? Would it tear the plane up?
Absolutely.
And suddenly, 1 second later, pretty much like teleported, miles away. There have been people that have said that under the water within the Bermuda Triangle, I guess on the ocean floor, there are pyramids, some say crystal pyramids, really big ones. Do you know anything behind that? Do you know if there's any truth to that?